Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So in this episode we are going to go in there and disassemble the seat, get it ready so that we can send it out and take a look at some fabrics and some seat foams and hello Bella and some of the pans. I think that this pan is completely roached, but I won't know until I dig into it. So we're going to take it apart and see what we got. Stay tuned. So today we're going to start disassembly of the seat and get it ready to send out to get redone. This thing is really crusty. You can see it's really got a lot of little pits and rust and some damage areas here. Nasty looking. So we're going to take most of this off, see what we can come up with. I'll probably start with just the actual seat cover itself, see if we can get those off. we can try and find one on eBay and or somewhere else and see if we can make a better seat out of a new one. So, all right.